Okay, first thing we want to do is we want to have our floor plan open, and we're going to get ready to make a copy of this, and we're going to rotate it. So we want to zoom out just a little bit to make sure that we have the whole floor plan in our area, and we're going to make a big green box, make sure that we have everything in it, and with ortho on, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to grab this and move this over. Notice that ortho's on. Ortho's off. We want ortho on, and we want to move it about that far away. Once we move it, we can hit the escape key, and now we have a copy of our floor plan sitting right there. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get ready to project this. So now we're going to take this object and we're going to rotate it. So by clicking on the rotate command, I can come down here, click right here, and again, we want to make sure we have ortho on. I'm going to pull down, and we want the fireplace at the south end or on the bottom. All right, so now um, we have our floor plans rotated. We're going to project the front view. We're going to project the side view. Okay, if you go to the shared drive and you open up the folder, and it's going to be in the shared drive, you should go into the Z drive and then shared, and then engineering and design, architecture, ARC1, and look for the elevation example wall section. And this opens up. You can ignore the error. I'm going to bring this and copy it into my floor plan. So I'm going to go ahead one more time, and I'm going to make a big green selection window, and I am going to hit Control C. I'm going to go back into my floor plan, and I'm going to come down here, and I am going to hit Control V. And this comes down at the level down here at the bottom. Okay. Once that comes in, I have everything that I need now to project my lines. I'm going to go grab some construction lines, and I think it's really important that you draw a construction line out of the way out here, just like that. And then I want to copy this construction line to the points on my drawing. We're going to draw over here. We're going to come to the edge. We're going to go to the fireplace. We're going to have the fireplace, one side of the window, the other side of the window. We're actually going to skip this, and we're going to come over here to the post. Okay, and then just to help out to identify what these are, I'm going to put this on the same layer that the fireplace is on. So I'm going to put this on fixtures. I'm going to put this on window, door and window, and I'm actually going to put this one on the E-wall, and I'm going to put this one on the porch and deck. So I have taken my construction lines we're going to use, projected them down, and then I also put them on the layers that will help us know what's going to be coming down here. All right, we're going to do that same process. I'm done with this construction line now. And now we're going to move, and we are going to project the top of the footing, the bottom of the footing, top of the foundation, floor line, window line, and ceiling line. All right, so that process again is we're going to draw a construction line out of the way, and we're going to copy this, and we're going to copy it from there. Doesn't even matter. We're going to go to the bottom of the footing where the arrows are at, the top of the footing where the arrows are at. We're going to come here to the top of the foundation, bottom of the elevation. We're going to go to the floor line. Okay, we got to find this spot right there where the floor line is at. We need the window line. The window line is 6'8". And then we need, lastly, we're going to need the ceiling line. And all of those are lined up. These here, I'll just change this one to the door and window line. Okay, but now that I'm done, I projected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines going in the perpendicular to those lines, coming down north and south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. Once you have these lines projected, you'll be ready to go ahead and start your floor plan or your elevation plan, and that will be in the next video.